Okay guys, we are back in right now. We're in China, Shanghai, 2025 China Toy Expo. And special host here is Neil. And what's your name, please?
Yes, I'm Amy.
Amy. Nice to meet you, Amy.
Nice to meet you.
What's the name of this company? It's so beautiful over here.
Yes.
What's the name?
We are Beijing Minjin International Trading Company.
That's right.
Yes.
So when the company was opened?
Our company has 36 years old.
Okay, 36 years of experience. That's pretty great. What are your main markets?
Yes. Yeah.
What are your main markets? Where do you sell the products?
We do wholesale for our customers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're both based, of course, and work in China, and you sell the products abroad, right?
Oh yes.
Yes. What other countries? Where to?
We ship to America.
Okay.
European
countries, yes.
Yeah.
And Asia as well.
Yeah.
Great. Okay, and your products is fluffy toys, right? Plush fluffy toys, different kinds, yeah? Different animals, as I can see here. It's pretty cool. And later, guys, we're gonna talk about top products, so stay tuned with us. Also, I wanna mention, guys, that the company's facilities cover around 1,800 square meters, okay? So more than 100 employees. That's pretty cool, guys. And because their production capacity per year is 12 million units. That's pretty nice. So how about the customization, OEM and ODM? It's all available, right? Okay, guys. So how about the certificates and the license? So you have all of that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so for more details, guys, we're gonna show you the video and you can check everything because the company really compliant with all the recent laws and regulations in this and that country. We're talking about different regulations both in UK, in European countries, in North America and Asia as well. Okay, so here we've got beautiful unicorns, but they seem definitely out of this world. So what's special about this? Please show us.
The highlight for this product is have a very newly fabric.
Okay, it looks like feathers, right? It's like from birds or what? It's so cool.
Yeah.
So fluffy, like a flying stuff. It's pretty cool. Yeah, nice. Look at these paws, guys. Okay, so cool here. So different colors available, right?
Yeah.
In different size too, right?
Yes.
Okay. And how about the minimum order? MOQ.
MOQ is also 500 pieces.
500 pieces. It's pretty great, guys. So we're here. What is that? It looks like a toy, but it's not quite a toy. It's just more than that, right?
Yeah.
That's cool. We can use it as a scarf, right?
Yeah.
How to use it? Can you show us?
Okay.
Okay.
You can see.
Yeah.
This product have very long tail.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay. Put it here. Wow, so warm.
The tail to the arm.
That's right. So here. Okay, so winter is coming, guys. So be prepared for the cold season and have fun. The pet is always with you, next to you guys, and you just enjoy it. It's pretty cool. Okay, it's pretty nice.